This is the solution video for section 6.4, problem number 2. All right, so when we look at this, a lot of times people think like, what sort of U substitution can I use? Well, you can't use a U substitution right now. What you have to do is you have to multiply out the numerator. So if I multiply out the numerator, I get x squared plus 4x plus 4. And then that's all divided by x. And so now I can split this up into three separate fractions. So this is a strategy we talked about in section 6.1. So if I have x squared over x, plus 4x over x plus 4 over x. Now I'm ready to integrate, right? I have three separate integrals, but I would probably want to simplify each of them first. The first one, x squared over x, that's just x. Plus, this is just 4. And then this is, I'm going to leave it as 4 over x. All right, so now I'm going to integrate. What is the integral of x? That's x squared over 2 plus the integral of 4 is 4x plus. Now, why did I leave this alone? Well, because this is 4 over x, or 4 times 1 over x. And so instead of writing it as 4x to the negative first, right? Why don't I want to write it as 4x to the negative first? Because that's going to make me think that this is the power rule, right? And when we think power rule, we're going to write 4x to the 0 over 0, but that doesn't make sense. So don't do that. All right, so that's why I don't write it like that. I leave it as 4 over x. So that reminds me that this is the natural log of the absolute value of x. And then, of course, plus c. All right, and so that is problem number 2.